Stay tuned.
Every single day, I'm gonna make it.
Hey guys, welcome back, and thank you guys for always coming back. Thank you for always staying tuned, and thank you for always commenting and liking and viewing my videos. So today we want to make boots enlargement oil. So I'm only going to make use of herbs, only the powders of the ingredients we need to make boots enlargement. So the first thing I'm putting right now, I'm using akpi seed. You know, there's akpi oil and other things. So but today I'm making use of the seed. So the seed is blended to powder. I'm going to use all the powders I'm going to be using. They're going to be 5%, so 5% each of the powders I'm using. So here is the akpi seed. I just finished measuring it, and akpi seed is widely used for breast and both feminine and enlargement. So it's very good when it comes to if you want to make breast feminine oil, so you can make use of akpi seed. So the second thing I'm adding right now is maca root, and I'm using the edible maca root, and it's very effective for gaining fats, for gaining weight. So if you want to take it, if you don't want to use the oil, you can decide to buy the edible maca root and take it with milk in the morning. So early in the morning on empty stomach, drink it with milk. All right, if you want to gain weight within 2 months, you will gain a very massive weight when it comes to these edible maca root. There are different kind of maca roots out there. They have the red and they have other ones that's not edible, but I'm using the edible one because I feel it's more effective for my oil that I'm making. So right up there is my picture. Actually, I was very slim, but when I started using the oil, it became like my boots became so thick and big. So, and also I was eating enough food, and you guys should know that. So the next powder I'm putting right now is volufiline powder is the almighty weight gainer. It helps to store fat in the right places, especially around your butt areas. So it's very effective. It's very effective. Volufiline powder is very effective when it comes to gaining weight around, especially your butt area. But I've not made breast oil, so I don't want to increase my breast, and I don't know. But if you want to make breast oil, I feel you should just go for akpi seed. Either the oil, or you get the seed, you blend it and infuse it for like 4 weeks, and you start using it to firm your breast if you have a fallen breast and others ones. So my breast is okay for me. So right now I'm going to infuse my powders with olive oil. So I'm using olive oil, pure olive oil, organic olive oil. So I'm going to use it to infuse my oil. So I'm using 75% of the olive oil into my powders. Remember, I said my powders are 5% each. So I'm just going to mix it together. Then the next powders I'm going to add soon, I have to blend them because I didn't blend them at first. So I'm going to blend them right now. So just stay tuned while I come back after blending the powders. So if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, and please just click the like button and click the red button and subscribe. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos, to support me. I want to say God bless you so much, and thank you for those that came to buy stuff from my shop. And thank you very much. I've had a few customers from YouTube channel, my family, guys. You guys are my family, and I want to say a very big thank you guys for always coming back, for always supporting me and purchasing from my website and buzzing me up on WhatsApp and all those ones. I'm really excited and happy. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you very much. So I just finished blending. So the powders I'm adding right now is fenugreek and fennel powder. You know, fenugreek is one of the major ingredients when it comes to gaining butt and breast enlargement, when you want to gain more bigger butts and breast. So I'm using fennel and fenugreek inside the oil to make it more effective. So right now, after mixing it, I'm going to turn it into a container and store it for 4 weeks before I start using it again. So if you're asking me whether if after gaining is going to be permanent, yes, I think it's going to be permanent when you're eating well, and you don't even actually need to do much exercise squatting, except you just want to shape your your waist area. Then you can be doing squatting probably every morning. But to use the oil after 4 weeks, use it morning and night for massive results. If you want to gain faster, so use it morning and night. So here we go. Thank you very much, guys.